Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the clipboard on your Samsung phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, what you're going to look for is open up a screen, let's say in this case messages, where you have the keyboard. Right above the keyboard, you should see a toolbar, but in my case, you can see it just pops up with auto-predicting text. If that's the case, we need to make sure that toolbar is turned on. To be able to do that, let's hop out of here and instead swipe up and open up your settings. From here, let me go back to the beginning so you can find it. At the very beginning of your settings, we're going to scroll down until we get to General Management. Tap on that. And then we're going to tap on Keyboard here. Let's choose your default keyboard. In my case, I'm just using the Samsung keyboard and tapping on the gear icon. After we've done that, let's scroll down and make sure the keyboard toolbar is turned on. Now, I'll show you what it looks like after it's been turned on. Let's go back into my messages and you'll be able to see a screen that looks like this. If you see auto-predicting text, you just need to tap on that back arrow. And then there is that keyboard or the clipboard. You can just tap on it right above the 7. And there's the clipboard. I can tap on anything to paste it. I can also tap on the trash can icon and hit select all and then delete. And this will delete out or clear my entire clipboard history on my Samsung phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.